All aboard the game train, boys, as Josh lies with your Hello Franklin.
And Conductor Steven, who does love trains,
In fact,
contrary to popular belief.
And your psychologist who knows if you say the same thing over and over, you'll eventually believe it.
what were you trying to do? You're trying to make one of those hypnotic videos. Alright, anyway, the sight of all the Luma shouting only made the girl laugh harder.
What am I going to do with all these children?
The Luma just stared blankly as she doubled overlapping.
Did she not?
How's that possible?
I guess we'll have to name each and every one of
Yeah,
them.
you ready, Steven? Tomorrow, once she had finished naming them all, she would begin moving all the Lumas into the new house. Even with the communist... Oh, it's over.
That should do it for today. We'll come back tomorrow, you special one.
And then he like pop out Mars' skeleton.
Oh.
It's like it took like 80 years for that story.
What happened to the rest of him?
Mama, you kind of read that story for 80 years. He's now kind of dead.
Should I check outside again? The radio just went off.
Nah, it's probably here yet.
They said they weren't gonna call back till 48.
I don't feel the rumble.
If you want in.
Oh.
Do we really want to?
Alright, so do you want to do Freeze Flame or Dusty Doom?
You have to do Dusty Doom. Wait.
Too late, we're committed. We're committed.
Can't. Freeze Flame is one of the best. You can't gotta do it last.
Freeze Flame is lame. See what I did there? Anyway, welcome to my least favorite level in the game because it's boring.
Freeze Flame.
This level. What was that ghost ship one?
That's a good question.
The Deep Dark Galaxy and Beach Bowl Galaxy is my least favorite because it's so boring.
Mario's a helicopter now.
Oh, there we go. Into the sinking sands!
Now that would be an interesting invention. A helicopter that can turn into a submarine.
Sure.
Where? But can you guys do like a good submarine noise? Dive! 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 I guarantee if I fall in the sinking sand, we gotta do that. We gotta do that.
That's the helicopter.
Once we get to the sinking sand.
Note, the quality of these tornadoes is not very high.
Yes, they're not.
In fact,
I don't think using the power of the tornado is any. Please don't. Oh, here you go, Steven. Dive! So as you can see there, I was being quite risky getting that one up. As the Let's Play curse hits me. Well, I don't. Why do I have so many hands? You know any good old Halloween monster that has millions of hands?
Steven,
You okay there, Steven?
the noises you make are beautiful.
You sound like Chewbacca.
Yeah.
Chewbacca's a helicopter.
It didn't start out that way, but it ended up like that.
Chewbacca's now a helicopter.
A helicopter?
By the way,
A helicopter? What is
by
that?
the way, viewers, if you go down here, you can do an awesome.
Josh, a helicopter is a helicopter that takes up a whole wall. No, a hall.
I thought you meant like a Holocaust, right?
Wait.
Josh, don't go there.
Wait,
I'm not going there. That's just
Did
what
you
I
say
thought.
holocaustic?
Yes.
No.
Holocauster, he thought.
Helicopter, like
What's up? Let's put a fork in the garbage disposal.
You better German. You better this. You better that.
Let's go.
Steven's lame attempt at a song.
Hey, it's going down. I'm yelling timber.
It's going down, eh?
I'm yelling timber.
If it's going down, I ask then. Turn down for what?
Yay.
It's golden liquid.
I know it's sand.
Whatever.
I hate sand. It's coarse, rough, and it gets everywhere.
And it usually doesn't move that fast.
And
No, wait. If all of you guys know what I was quoting, please like this video.
Yeah, I like it anyway.
Hey, Josh, you know what I was quoting, right?
What?
You know what I was quoting, right?
I wasn't paying attention.
As I said, I hate sand. It's rough, coarse, and it gets everywhere. John, Steven, you know what I'm quoting, right?
Yeah, I think.
Star Wars.
Oh, yeah.
And remember episode 2, Anakin said that to Padme?
Who remembers that?
It's one of those movies where it's so bad it's good. Like, you know what I mean?
Does
Like it's so bad that it's fun to make fun of it. Alright, so you can stop now.
No, Steven, continue. It's beautiful.
Steven, you might have to stop. No!
Steven, I love your noises. Continue.
But meanwhile, please purchase your sound effects album by Stephen Thomas.
Yes.
As
it
he
just reached the
as
bestseller list.
as he plays many awesome sound effects for you, like the helicopter noise.
And as you hear sounds like this, sounds that indicate
Make sure you give us shout outs, Steven.
a Railfan channel to Ravenna Railfan 4070,
okay.
my channel.
Okay, good. Okay. I said that. I was like, we're having last time we played video here.
Oh, that's a nice shot.
Of course
Woo!
it
I
is.
like the snowy images.
By the way, I'm owning this level right now.
By the way, if you fall down in that sand, you'll have to redo the whole thing.
Which is not fun.
Which
Josh.
is
So don't suck.
Here's and
unless you find that fun.
Which I don't know why you do. Which I don't know why you would, but you know.
zoom.
Steven is showing me a train. I don't know
And
why
within the game train episode.
What do you know?
How? So we call
It's
it
not quite great footage.
train
Why
section.
not?
He should have switched the
Ooh,
view.
hurry a little bit. Look, Steve, Josh, I'll hurry a little up here. Let's go. Let's see if we have enough Starbits. Oh, jeez.
Here's a good one, Josh.
Are you guys knows?
MS Heritage Unit 81.
Are you guys knows this stuff? 'Cause mine is.
Nah, I'm
Hey,
good.
okay, we get you. How much you want?
Gosh.
800. But I only have 649.
I'm so hungry.
it's then why don't you go to America like the Irish did during the potato famine?
Potato Phantom.
Wait, we need to get our conductor to play.
Yeah, he'll play.
The Potato Phantom.
Do you want to play a Daredevil comic, Steven and Josh?
No, he does not want to play Daredevil.
That's what I thought. Cause it's Major Burroughs.
Not Major Burroughs.
Now-
Daredevil.
now-
Major.
Now, Josh.
Oh!
Now, Josh.
You could have killed me. That's not good.
By the way, Josh, I have a question.
Even-
Do you want to redeem yourself, or want me to do this?
You do it.
Okay.
We got 2 minutes, boys.
Okay. We'll end this video with this level.
Dos Minuto.
Shout out to Senor Wallace.
Senor Wallace.
Shout out to
my-
Mitch Skrabowski.
Why?
Because he always used to be like at soccer games. Dos Minutos.
Yes, Benitez. Ah! It's following me!
Now it's running from you, even though it's huge. What in the heck?
I know, it's what you missed, Steven. While you were out looking for a train. That's what you missed. I also made a story how this freaked out my 6-year-old self back in 2007.
Yeah. It was a really touching story.
It was a beautiful story. It almost made Josh shed a tear.
It's almost like Franklin already beat Major Burroughs.
Also, like Josh, I owned it again because I'm like that.
Well,
Sorry, Josh.
sorry, boys.
Wait, what? We say?
I said boys.
Oh,
What do you think I said?
Boys.
Ow! Stop kicking me.
I thought you said sorry twice.
Sorry twice.
I am sorry to the second power.
Sorry to the second.
Is it too late now to say sorry? Ooh, yeah, 51 stars.
Tell us, have you ever missed a party?
You mean Esther Pie?
No.
Esteban.
I said, have you ever missed a party?
Multiple. Because I'm
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Alright, it's time
Maybe.
for Steven to play Freeze Flame.
Yes, no, Dusty Dooms.
No, that's yours.
Because this one's easy.
Fine, okay. Steven will play Dusty
Alright,
Dooms.
next time on... Oh wait, I'm sorry. Thanks for watching. It's been your Hobo Franklin.
Conductor Steven.
Our psychologist who doesn't know knows he doesn't like trains.
And we'll see
Josh,
you
who's
out
whispering.
at the gaming rail.
Ow.
Bye!